Howdy, hello. I'm Angel. This is the Fit and Free Show, where I just do whatever I feel like and invite you to do whatever you feel like in the spirit of moving our bodies a little more, maybe being a little silly, hopefully doing some breathing and some smiling and some letting go of stress. That is my main objective. As usual, I invite you to join me to whatever degree feels good in your body. I encourage you to move around a little bit in maybe ways that you don't always move around. Explore a little bit. As I mentioned, above all else, do try to breathe and smile, or commit to holding your breath and scowling, and let me know how that works out for you, to and for you, and fro you. Anyhow, you will learn about me that I'm silly. I enjoy being silly. I think we need more silliness in the world. Life is much too important to take it too seriously, as Alan Watts sometimes says on the recording. I invite you to indulge in a heavy sigh or two with me. I'm going to take a breath or two just to root my feet into the center of the earth. I know we got a kind of weird camera angle going on. It's a work in progress. Ever a work in progress. Let's see if that's any better. I'm going to go ahead and root my feet into the center of the earth and then just take a slow roll down. Trying to relax through the belly, kind of tipping the tailbone under initially. Coming on down, past the waist to the hips, and just, actually, as you can maybe able to tell, I got my feet a little more than hip width apart. Wherever is comfortable for you is fine. I'm making sure not to lock my knees by giving them a little jiggle. They're a little stiff this morning. This is my first stretch of the day. Running a little slow today. That's okay. I'm just going to take a breath or two to keep unwinding, relaxing through the belly, relaxing through the back. And just hang here, let gravity do a little more unwinding. Shake some of that out, and then pushing through the bottoms of the feet, making sure not to lock those knees, and just rolling back up. One vertebra at a time, checking in with that spine. Let's do a little swing in the arms. Go to and fro a little. Just loosening things up today, letting go of some stress. I tend to accumulate a lot of inflammation in my body at nighttime, and especially in my arms in general, day and night. So I do a lot of extra work to let go of that. I encourage you to listen to your own body. I'm rubbing here because I also got something chronic and acute going on in through here. As you get older, you may find all those things that you didn't listen to get louder and louder, as one of my favorite mentors says. If you don't fix it now, don't worry, it'll get worse. Or better. Sometimes things do go away. We stop focusing on them. Other times we're subconsciously, energetically focusing on. You see me doing this. Clearly I stuff some things there, and then lo and behold, I start to get some stagnation and dis-ease. So you might just take like a scan of your body and see if there's any place that there's like a little turbulence, stagnation, avoidance, numbness, lack of awareness. All those are signs that you may be not listening, maybe stuffing something, maybe just having an opportunity to get to know a part of yourself a little bit better. I'm going to do another forward fold. Again, taking a moment or two, breath or so, to bring my attention into the bottoms of my feet, rooting into the center of the earth and rooting into the center of the sky. Unlock the knees, forward folding, swan diving from the hips, coming all the way down. 2 again. Relax here, relaxing the belly, relaxing the back. Just giving a nice sigh of release. I'm going to bend the knees, swing the arms back, coming into a bit of a forward fold, counter stretch, a forward fold, the opposite of that. Back bend, pushing these hips forward, lifting the eyes and the chest. And then coming back to center. Shake all that out. Just got these pants at the thrift store. I like them. Half pants, culottes, as my grandma used to call them. I don't know if these are formerly culottes, but I'm old enough to not care and young enough to still be walking and alive and breathing and joking and smiling and being silly. So I hope you're with me on at least one or two of those fronts. Well, it has gotten rather silly. I think I'm going to spend just another few breaths bringing my awareness into the bottoms of my feet, relaxing through the legs, through the hips, through the belly, tipping the tailbone a little bit, relaxing those shoulders. Let's do some shoulder shrugs and letting go. Breathing in on the way up, tensing up. Can even tense up in the pelvic floor, and I'm crunching up my toes. And then just letting all that go, releasing all that. Let's do that a couple more times. Breathing in. Just letting it go. You can set down that stress. There'll be more stress, or you can pick it back up again if you wish, as you wish. One more. Breathing in. Holding up there, holding, and then just letting that go, relaxing. Another one of my favorite sayings is, relax, nothing is in control. I hope that you're remembering to let go of stress regularly, check in with your body, continuing to develop a healthy relationship with your body. Because the more you do that, the more fit and free you will be. And remember, it's an ongoing process. It's not like you just take one pill and you're done. It's a daily, just like you gotta wash your face and brush your teeth. You gotta let go of stress, stretch your body, do a little moving, a little exploring, a little loving yourself, because you are worth it. There you have it, my lecture for today. I do thank you for stopping by. I encourage you to check out the description, and I want to mention my Majestic Muse aromatherapy blend. It's all natural essential oils, and I sell it on Etsy. I blend it myself. It is quite an uplifting, inspiring blend. Check it out. Woo! Don't spill it all over yourself, though, unless you want to get really creative. It's lucky for me, it's diluted in jojoba oil, this particular blend, so it's hard to put too much on you. It just goes faster when you do that. It's kind of strong, but essential oils evaporate rather quickly. The jojoba slows that down a little, but it also dilutes it. It's got some sandalwood in it. It's a pretty nice blend. You can find a link to that in the description. I welcome your questions and comments. Thank you for stopping by. Till next time, peace.